Want to learn how to import SCORM files into LearnWorlds quickly and easily? You're in the right place. In this video, I'll guide you through the process step by step, while highlighting some things you might want to keep in mind before getting started. Stay tuned till the end, because I'll also share some alternatives that might be better suited to your needs. First thing you'll want to do is log into your LearnWorlds account. Once you're in, head over to the Courses section and find the course you want to add your SCORM file to. You'll need to open up the course editor to make sure you're ready to upload your SCORM package. Next thing, on the left side of the course editor, you'll find the Add Content button. Click on that, and you'll see a bunch of options. From here, look for the SCORM option. LearnWorlds supports SCORM 1.2 and SCORM 2004, so make sure your SCORM file is in one of those formats before moving forward. Now, the third thing to do is click the Upload SCORM button. This is where you'll select your SCORM file from your computer or cloud storage. Make sure that the file is not too large and that it's properly zipped, as LearnWorlds requires it to be in a compressed folder format for the upload. Once the file is uploaded, the next thing is to adjust the settings for the SCORM file. LearnWorlds gives you options like setting a completion requirement, tracking progress, or deciding if you want it to be marked as completed automatically once the learner finishes the module. These settings are important to make sure the SCORM package integrates seamlessly with your course structure. After that, you can preview the SCORM content to make sure everything works as expected. This is a crucial step because SCORM files can sometimes have compatibility issues or fail to load correctly if not set up properly. The fifth thing I want to highlight is that while LearnWorlds is a great platform for importing SCORM files, it does have some limitations when it comes to customization of SCORM content. For example, you might run into issues with tracking learner performance or adapting SCORM modules to suit your branding. If that's a deal breaker for you, you might want to consider other options. Finally, before I wrap up, it's important to note that I've got an exclusive extended free trial to LearnWorlds, but I'm also going to show you some amazing alternatives that might work better depending on your specific needs. These platforms, while offering SCORM file imports, often have more robust options for customization, detailed learner tracking, and a smoother user interface. I've linked them in the description below, and through our link, you'll get access to the best free trials and exclusive benefits only available to our viewers. So, if you've been struggling with SCORM file imports in LearnWorlds or want to check out something even better, don't miss the description for those links.